Hi everyone, so I'm here with Frankie. Sorry the dishwasher's going, but I was trying to wait for it to get done, but it's taking too long. Oh, Mom's getting flour on you already. Anyways, we are baking Christmas cookies today, aren't we, Frankie? Huh. We're baking Christmas cookies for our friends. If you can. Anyways, so I'm gonna make Snickerdoodles, and I thought I would share with you how I make them. One of my Christmas traditions, I've been making them since I was 3. You might see Momma Dog over there in the corner. I think the kittens are running around somewhere. I'm at my friend's farm. So right now we just have, I made some little mini M&M ones that are in the oven. Just for kind of for the kids, something different. Ooh, these are almost done. Those up there. These here. There we go. And we'll get started with the dough for Snickerdoodles. So, first shortening, we need 1 cup of shortening, and I like these, the bars, because I hate scooping the shortening out, so I buy the bars. We're going to make Snickerdoodles and peanut butter blossoms and peanut butter delights, which are the peanut butter cup ones, and I'm not sure what else. So it does have the measurements on the side here to tell you how much. So 1 bar is 1 cup. I think this makes a lot, which is fine. I do not like my cookies overcooked. I like them soft. So. Right. We got shortening. Yep. 1 cup of butter. So 1 cup of butter is 2 sticks. Shortening, butter, sugar, and eggs. 3 cups of sugar. So this is a really big recipe, but I make them for like a bunch of different families and friends, so I need a large batch. Sometimes I'll just do a half a batch, but I'm gonna do the whole batch today. Hopefully the mixer gets it all. Oops, sorry you guys are kind of blurry. There we go. So 3 cups of sugar. We'll get this started creaming while I get the eggs. Oh, I forgot I unplugged it when I took the beater off last time. Come on. aren't you working? Oh, that's not good, guys. Very not good. I just used this. Oh, I plugged in the coffee machine instead. Ooh, there we go. Alright, so that's mixing. So I'm going to pause you guys while it mixes, and I'm going to add the 4 eggs, and then I'll come back and tell you the rest of the recipe. So our butter is nice and creamed in shortening and sugar. So now we are going to add the dry ingredients. And some people do put the dry ingredients in a separate container and then add them. I am not one of those. I just put a little part of each of them in here. So this recipe takes 5.5 cups of flour. So we're gonna put 2 cups in to start with. And then the secret to Snickerdoodles is cream of tartar. So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar in because it calls for 2. So we'll do 1 first. Here's cream of tartar. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So we'll put 1 in to start with. See, I like kind of do half of them. And then just a half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't think that you need a lot of salt in your cookies. So we got about half the ingredients in there. I'm going to add a half a cup of flour of the dry ingredients. So then I just need 2 more cups. And definitely you always start out your flour part slow or you will have a giant mess. So I'm going to finish mixing that up and I will show you the completed dough. So this is the next step in Snickerdoodles. You mix cinnamon and sugar together. And for Christmas, I add the green and red sugar sprinkles crystals, to make it more festive. So mix those around in there. So it's just adding it's adding green sugar basically. Because we're going to make the cookies into balls and roll them. Some green sprinkles, and I got some red sprinkles. And this one. These ones are almost gone. But we got more. So now, whoops, spilling it all over. All we're gonna do is take our handy dandy scooper here, which I had used for the other cookies. Should be fine. And just roll them into balls. My dough seems a little stickier for some reason. I'm not sure why, but I think it'll be okay. I added a little extra flour. See if that would help. But we just roll them into balls. And then roll them in the sugar. So, and see. Then you have a ball covered in sugar. So while one batch is baking, then I usually will do the other one. Or continue to roll. And you can do some that are half and half, and some. So there's a red one. So I am just gonna roll some balls here, and then I will bring you guys back and show you what they look like when they're baked. And I can give you a little. This is the recipe, so if you do want to try and make this kind of snickerdoodle, you can pause the camera here and copy it down. These sugars are snickerdoodles I've been making since I was like 3 years old, so almost 30 years. And my aunt's made them for even longer than that. So, and Frankie's still chilling over here. He has his passy. He says, "Hi friends, Mommy's making cookies. I'm hanging in my jammies." So cute. Alright, we'll be back with some finished products soon. So here we have our first batch of snickerdoodles out of the oven. They look great. You want them to be white and just starting to crack when you take them out. A little brown around the edges, but they look fantastic. There's the balls that are ready to go. So I got a lot of dough left to do. But there's our first batch of snickerdoodles. Yay! Yum! So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will be making more cookies soon. Thanks for watching. So the snickerdoodles are about done. These are some that are cooling. Those are all that are done. These I made for the kids. They didn't turn out the best, but they're okay. They're just M&M cookies. We got some over there. I need to be baked, and then we got 2 trays in the oven. So I am going to get started on our next batch of cookies, so I just thought I'd show you those quick. And Frankie, because he's so cute, he has on this really cute little sleeper with a penguin. So anyways, you can watch our next video if you want to see how to make peanut butter blossoms. Thanks for watching.